Timely feedback of grades, supplemented with formative comments, provides another avenue of communication and interaction with your students. Therefore, learning management system gradebooks that are visible to students enrich their experience. D2L provides this capability as well as the means to organize graded items into categories. This allows certain features to be applied to a set of items, included weighted grading. To set up a gradebook category, select Grades from the navigation bar. Click Manage Grades, and then select the New button and Category from the drop-down menu that appears. Settings in the Properties tab enable you to customize several grading features, but first you need to enter a name for your category. You also have the option to add a description. Scroll down to the grading options. The Can Exceed category allows users' grades to exceed the maximum value for the category, such as if an assignment is worth 20 points and they answered a bonus question or they went above and beyond, did a really excellent job, you can assign them 25 out of 20 points. You can also use the Exclude from Final Grade Calculation setting to exclude items in this category from the final course grade. Select Distribution if you want all items in the category to be worth the same amount. Once selected, the entry boxes for setting the points per item and dropping a specified number of highest or lowest grades becomes fillable. Under the display options, you can customize your student's view to include the ability to see the class average and grade distributions. Once you have configured all the settings for your grade category, click Save. And you now see that the grade category appears in your list.